Hi Pisces, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a love reading. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Thank you Pisces. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Tingnan natin kung ano nangyayari sa inyong love life, anong pwede ninyong i-expect, okay, in your romantic situation. Pisces. King of Swords. Knight of Cups. Okay. Pisces. So, Eight of Swords. Merong someone na laging nasa isip ninyo. Okay. Parang gumugulo sa isip. And at the same time, may gusto kang gawin pero hindi mo magawa. Yeah, you're thinking about it, okay? You want validation on someone. Yeah, but you know, parang hinahayaan mo na lang kung ano yung mangyayari or come what may between you and this person. Tingnan natin, bakit King of Swords? Ano meron sa King of Swords? For Pisces, bakit King of Swords? Yeah, Ace of Cups. Okay. So, merong nararamdaman yung person na to sa inyo, pero hindi niya masabi, okay? Pero nasa isip ka din niya. Okay? Parang you excite this person, Pisces, okay? Butterflies in the stomach. Tuwing naiisip ka niya or nakikita, okay? For some of you, yeah, yung person na to, kailangan niyang sabihin or express ang kanyang nararamdaman. Meron siyang strong feelings towards you and affection. Okay? Ace of Swords, Wheel of Fortune. Okay? But you know, this person is stuck. Hindi niya masabi, hindi din siya makagawa ng aksyon. Yeah, this person is parang cold siya, no, sa labas. Hindi siya ganun ka-expressive sa kanyang nararamdaman. But you know, deep inside, meron siyang special feelings for you. Okay? Wheel of Fortune, stuck. Parang hindi siya maka-move forward. Or hindi siya makagawa ng action towards you. Okay? King of Pentacles. Bakit may King of Pentacles? For Pisces, bakit King of Pentacles? Yeah, Knight of Wands. Para-paraan din to yung tao na to. Knight of Wands. Wise, smart, okay? He or she wants to take action. Interesado siya sa'yo. But really, gusto niya magkaroon ng something solid, no? Na connection or relasyon with you. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Gusto niya din ng parang constant yung communication, hindi lang yung mababaw na connection with you, okay? This person is also hot-headed. Page of Pentacles, yes. Gusto kanyang kausapin, okay? Yeah. Pero parang natatameme. Okay. Hindi niya masabi kung anong gusto niyang sabihin sa inyo. Okay? Pero pinapakita niya, he or she is showing through his action or her action na gusto kanya or interested. Pero hindi niya din masabi. Okay? This person is also wise. Okay? Maybe this person is also a much older than you. Pisces. Page of Cups. Parang love on the brain to. Hindi niya din masabi. Love on the brain. Yung kanyang nararamdaman towards you. King of Cups. Yeah, the Star. Gusto niya talaga maging successful sa inyo. In a way na gusto niya magkaroon ng magandang communication, connection, or relationship with you. Yeah. This is love. Yeah. Merong admiration. Okay? Pag nandyan ka, he or she feels good. Okay? Maganda or yung pakiramdam niya pag nandyan ka or nakikita ka. He or she is admiring you. Yeah. Yeah, 10 of Cups. See? So, pag nakikita ka, parang emotionally satisfied siya, no? Merong contentment sa kanya, kasiyahan. Okay. Excuse me. Yeah, this person really gusto niya maging successful or gusto niyang magkaroon ng connection with you. Okay? Connection or magandang relasyon. Okay? Kung friends kayo, mas malalim na pagkakaibigan. Okay? Or level up na relasyon with you. So, just take what resonates for you, Pisces. Pero ito yung energies na lumalabas for you. The Tower. What is the Tower? Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, the Tower. Release from unhealthy or toxic relationship. Okay? Maybe this connection is not that good or not healthy. Okay? Yeah. Knight of Pentacles. Maybe you want to break your connection with this person because you want things to be safe in your relationship, in your life, I mean. Okay? Siguro hindi maganda kung magkaroon ka ng relasyon sa tao na to. Maybe it is not healthy. Okay? Hindi tama sa mata ng tao or sa mata ng batas. That's why you are breaking this Tower. Okay? Merong concerns about what is right and what is wrong. Yeah, Queen of Swords. Disconnection. Discord. Yeah. You want to be parang gusto mo safe yung pakiramdam mo, Pisces, in that situation. That's why you are breaking this relationship or connection because it's not good or it's not healthy. Okay? Tingnan natin, 8 of Pentacles. Bakit 8 of Pentacles? Yeah, 8 of Swords. You are not confident about this person, or parang hindi mo mapagkakatiwalaan. You think so. Okay, nasa isip mo. Parang wala kang confidence sa tao na to. Okay? About 8 of Pentacles, sa kung anong pwede niyang gawin sa inyong connection or sa inyong relasyon. Okay? Why? Okay. Endings. Okay? So, if ever you will pursue this connection, merong ending na mangyayari. Yeah. Or sufferings. Okay? Ten of Swords. Merong pain or pagkagulo or turmoil in your situation. Okay? If you are going to accept this relationship or this connection, it will just, parang magkukos lang siya ng distraction or turmoil in your current relationship. Okay? Maybe this person is outside of your another or of your relationship. It's like parang meron kang main relationship because there is a tower, and then you have the another relationship, and this includes this person. Okay? Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Again, the Tower. Yung pagkagusto ng tao na to sa'yo may cause breakage of tower or distraction in your foundation. Okay? Foundation mo sa self mo, or if you have a main family, it will be a distraction. Okay? The Tower is not also healthy. Yeah. Nine of Swords. This is a concern for you, Pisces. Not only you, but to both of you. Okay? So, you are thinking about this. It's not going to be a healthy relationship if you're going to proceed with this. Okay? Knight of Cups, the Tower, and the Swords. Okay? Siguro yung iba sa inyo, lagi mo tong iniisip or lagi sa isip mo to, kinakakos sa'yo ng mga anxiety or unhappiness or distraction in your day-to-day life or routine. Okay? Yung iba is you have sleepless nights. Okay? And the Moon. Yeah, Three of Cups. Three of Cups, third party. Okay, so yeah, so that's why unhealthy siya or hindi magandang relasyon if ever you are going to pursue with this relationship, because it will involve you into a three-party relationship, okay, or this person. Okay, so merong fear na ganyan. Okay, merong fear of turmoil or pagkagulo or distraction. So, Page of Cups. Yeah, Page of Cups. Okay. Yeah, Pisces. So, if you are going to accept or submit yourself sa taong ito or sa itong relasyon, magkakaroon ka ng third party. Okay? Ma-involve ka sa three-person relationship. Yeah, so so I think emotionally you have to let it go. You have to Not really refuse, but siguro ignore. Okay? So, stop thinking or stop overthinking about the situation. Parang it's not worth it. Okay? But you know, there is feelings involved. This is for some of you, Pisces. Just take what resonates for you. Okay? Yeah, there is parang worried ka sa situation mo. Because there is emotions already involved. Cups. Yeah. Tingnan natin, hidden message or hidden truths from your person for Pisces. Excuse me. I knew exactly what I was doing. I know I was a distraction from your pain. We both know I am not the one for you. Okay. So, aware yung person na to sa nangyayari sa sitwasyon mo, Pisces. Let's see. Additional message for Pisces. Additional message for Pisces. Time. You are trying too hard. Give it time. And emotions are a natural and necessary part of life, but they can also distort your perception and cloud your vision. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. Okay? So, random message for you. So, Pisces, ito lang yung mga messages para sa inyo. Thank you so much and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!